Hi guys, so I'm currently at the Dubai airport right now. I have done my check-in and everything and I'm just waiting to board my flight, and today is very special because I am going to Bombay to give a massive huge surprise to my dad. We are having a small party get together today evening because it's his 60th birthday. But technically his birthday is on 2nd, so we are basically bringing in his birthday. So yeah, I am hella excited and I shall take you guys with me because I think his expression when he sees me, because he has no clue that I'm coming, it's going to be worth internet memes, as we call it in the millennial age. So let's go. I have now reached Mumbai airport, and for some reason my eyes are watering very badly, and I am waiting for my friends. Hello! You're making a video too! Ulta to karo! So
Back to Mumbai.
we're going to... She's back! Yay! She's back! Oh my god, this is seriously a surprise. So
You इतने sober हो के आ गई यार. Dubai has made you so sober and sweet, exactly
girl.
like me.
girl,
Why are you not freaking it?
और हम तुम्हें इतना प्यार भी तो करते हैं. मेरा बूबू चू, my monkey, my boo-boo. We love her. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it. Amchi Mumbai. Party shati,
Party
golgappe,
shati,
pani, butter chicken.
butter chicken,
Alright.
pani puri, and
puri.
Bollywood music.
Bollywood music.
That's
Done deal.
it. Yes.
We're gonna kill it.
And now onwards to surprising Papa Dearest.
Oh yeah, it's his 60th birthday and he has no idea she's here.
No freaking clue.
And we need to go fast. We're gonna find
Yeah.
some
So
traffic now.
yeah, I have
Adios.
my
Bosslady
Sitafal
Shruti.
milkshake and other things here with me. So let's go.
Oh my god.
Shruti, कितना समय हो गया सेव पूरी खाए?
How long has it been, Shruti, that you've tasted this delicious safe puri?
शक्ल देखो यार. जेसन भी ये नहीं करता.
जेसन को भी पता है कि उससे ये ना हो पाएगा.
The
What
way a
safe puri does to
makes
me?
you, yeah, orgasmic, right? And how?
Yeah. This is
मन धन को सुकून मिला है आज.
Ayer and सेव पूरी.
Here in safe puri, the
और
story.
अब पानी पूरी मेरे तन में जाएगा तो उसका स्वाद तो सुपर से भी ऊपर होएगा.
Can we see how it looks?
No, now it's over.
That's it?
Hey guys! So we are finally ready. We just checked into a room. It is already in a mess, so I'm not going to show you guys how
Absolutely
it looks like.
not.
Because 3 women in a room getting ready, you can just imagine how messy and awesome the place looks right now. But the crux of the matter is that we have dolled ourselves up. And we are just waiting for my mom to call us to let us know that the coast is clear for us to get on in and
Surprise
see my
the daddy!
dad's
And
face.
see his face when he sees Shruti because he has no
I
idea
know,
she's coming.
and it's his 60th birthday, so I'm sure he was expecting her, but then she did this whole melodrama and convinced him that she's not coming because he knows her, like she's khurafati. Basically, she's really mischievous. So the father was thinking,
कुछ तो हो जाएगा,
maybe,
आ जाएगी.
but she cried her ass off.
Yesterday
and
when
she convinced him.
yesterday I had this video call with my dad and I was like, Papa, I'm so sorry I'm not there. I'm so sorry. Please have extra
And
ice
this
cream for
lady,
me."
and no, but the crux of the matter is, can you imagine? She had to land at 4:30.
She landed at fucking 3:45.
Yeah, and she's calling us.
3:45 she landed.
She calls us and landed.
Is
And
it
then
my fault that
she bribed
Indigo
the
of
fucking pilot.
She bribed the pilot because she wanted to have a pani puri.
Indigo, you have to tell us what
She
fucking
bribed
gave
the
you.
pilot because she definitely wanted to eat and drink the Sitafal ka juice.
And
That's the only reason she landed at 3:45. And I was still at home getting ready to go pick her up.
Madam was in the washroom.
I just come to.
Yeah, okay. Chalo, now cut.
And I had to wait for like 20 minutes.
And she still ate, and she was still late just to find how to get from arrival to departure.
No. If I am coming at departure, I am coming at arrival, I expect these to come at that place. And they're calling me
At 4:30, not 3:45.
But still, where were you all?
No, we were on the way.
We were on the way by that time.
We actually were on the way.
We were in the car.
I swear we were on the way in the car. We're just pulling your leg because we're making a video.
We'll resolve this. We'll call you back.
Okay, now that people have been cut out of my video, we are just waiting to go to Dad, and next up, hopefully, you will see
lying.
his face. We are just walking up. I don't know if you can hear, but like there is some karaoke session happening. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see his face.
And for all of us here, so you may please turn around and see who's coming.
Dingle, my dingle. I'm elated. मोहन की गजल
नहीं ये दिन दा यही हो जाएगा
ये आवाज नहीं था तो कितना चांद लग रहा था ना
ऐसा कोई गाना लगा.
I'm so happy.
Hi Niharika. Hi
Hello.
I never knew that
See this face. I did all of this just so as to see this face. This happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you. As she always says, from the bottom of the heart and from the heart of the heart.
Yes. Anything for you. You know. How can I not?
Just now I said to some of the people that we were planning something big, but then she was not able to come, so we said.
So your plan
हम जहाँ से खड़े होते हैं बिग उधर से ही शुरू होती
Your
है.
plan has to be fulfilled. Na?
Oh, you people have worked really hard.
I'm not a writer or anything of that sort. I just pen down my thoughts as and when I feel like it, to be honest. And it was in 2010 that I wrote this poem for my dad, which I would like to read out for you guys today, because I just feel that it just says everything that I feel about my father. So here goes. Please excuse the very juvenile tone of the poem.
1 second. You explain about.
I will. So the title of the poem is Why Do I? Today I sit and gaze to pen down all my thoughts about and for you. My heart asks me a few questions that I have taken the liberty to answer. I ask, hey Dad, why is it that I adore you? Is it because you gave me a huge teddy bear to hug and a laptop on my birthday? Or is it because you sat up all those nights that I turned up late? Why is that I respect you? Is it because you brought me a ride? Or that you keep mum even when I take you for a ride? I ask, what is so appealing about my dad? Is it his receding hairline and his bear-like tummy, or his golden heart and that he looks amazing with my mummy. Why is it that I call you my hero? He truly is my hero. Is it because you can lift me in the air and protect me from the storm? Or because you pick me up from the station and fight with the world to keep me warm? Why is it that I find a reason to love you? Is it because we fight till we are hazy? Or because we are each other's lobsters and love each other like crazy? When I put all these thoughts together, I realized that all that time that has been spent analyzed, I don't really need a reason to love you, dear Father, because you are my mal payment ayar and I am your darling daughter. There's actually a story behind why I call him mal payment ayar. It's because ever since I was a little kid, I would not really understand all the business talks that my dad would do over the phone. I would just know that he is on his cell phone and he's either talking about mal gaya or payment aaya. So these were the only two words that I understood of the nature of business that my dad was into. So that is when I used to call him mal payment ayar. And today also he is full on mal who does all the payments. So अभी भी वो नाम जो है बिल्कुल लागू होता है. And I am so proud, so proud to call this man my father because he is truly my hero. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हाँ जी, तो इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई? तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई? कैंडल शैंडल फूंक से बुझा के, बेसुरों की भीड़ फालतू में लगवा के, बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग जोर जोर से गवाते हो, हमसे ताली शाली का हजामत करवाते हो. ये सब नौटंकी फिर भी चलो झेल लें, केक शेक और स्टार्टर्स भर भर के आए प्लेट में. घर जाके फिर से डिनर न मंगवाना हो, चूहे ना दौड़े पेट में रात के 1:45. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. सोच समझ के इनवाइट भिजवाओ जी. अगर पेट पूजा का फुल इंतजाम है तो ही न्योता कंसीडर करेंगे जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कह दिया है जी. तुम और भी बुढ़े हो गए ओ तेरी. दिल छोटा ना करो, उम्र का है क्या, बाल झड़ेंगे दांत गिरेंगे वैसे ही.
Hi guys, so as you can see, I have taken my makeup off and put Vico turmeric all over my face because God knows I need it. And yes, that is the end of today's events. I just feel so grateful and happy. A lot of gratitude in my heart for everything that my dad has done for me, and the fact that I've hopefully in some way was able to give him happiness, because I know for a fact that he is definitely the biggest source of happiness, inspiration and love and affection in my life. So yeah, here's wishing my dear daddy many more years of health, wealth and happiness. 100 more years, 50,000 more years of health, wealth and happiness. And yeah, this is it for now. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, because yeah, I make fun videos and you guys should subscribe because it's cool and it's free.
Right below, guys.
It's free, bitches. Just subscribe.
Woohoo!
Yes.
And logging out.
And like I always say, keep it bossy.